modifying weather and climate is a very old dream of mankind. So we have always tried to have good forecasts, but also many attempts have been tried to influence weather, make rain or avoid rain. The real issue of climate engineering, due to a very large scale, global scale, was motivated by the frustration of scientists that we have done so many IPCC reports, climate assessments, and given recommendations what to do to avoid dangerous climate change, and so far nothing visible has happened. And that has led Paul Crutzen and others to think through what options might there be if politics and society fails to really respond to scientific advice and scientific knowledge. Crutzen paper was published, I think, in 2006, and it started some debate among scientists, initially among natural scientists. So it was about the possible potential of aerosol injection into the high stratosphere. And we thought it is necessary to, well, first study the possible scientific effects. Could it really work? But we also think there's lots of different aspects like legal issues, governance issues, who would be responsible, who would say what is a good temperature we could be happy with, who would monitor it, who would detect it. And any measure one would really deploy, would undertake, would redistribute winners and losers worldwide. And this is a huge danger that has to be controlled. And that's a scientific question we have to answer. Could it be controlled? Could we manage this kind of redistribution of losers, winners? And there's a lot of, well, background knowledge that has to be generated before society can decide, do we want this? Should we ever try that? And I think that's a scientific responsibility to provide information for a good public debate.